In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters on cards in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever wanted a single number on a card, like total sales or count of customers, to update instantly based on a selection, slicers are the simplest way to make that happen. A slicer is just a visual filter your users can click on, and it controls other visuals on the page, including cards. Start by locating the slicer visuals in the pane where your visual icons appear. Look for the icons that include a small filter badge in the corner. Choose the slicer type that fits your data and how you want users to interact. A list or drop-down works great for categories like product or region. A date slicer is ideal for time periods, and a numeric range slider is handy for measures such as quantity or ratings. Click the slicer icon to place it on the canvas, then resize or position it so it's easy to reach. With the slicer selected, add the data you want it to filter. In the Fields area, drag the field that should control the filter into the slicer's field well. For example, use region if your card shows total sales and you want that number to reflect a specific region. Power BI will label the slicer based on the field you added. For the best results, pick a field that naturally filters the measure on your card, and make sure the tables behind them are related in your data model so the filter can flow to the card. Now, interact with the slicer and watch the card respond. Click a single value to see the card update instantly. If your slicer is a list, you can hold Control to select multiple values, or switch the slicer to a drop-down for a cleaner look when you have many items. Date slicers let you choose a relative period, like the last 30 days, or a specific range using between. If you need to clear the filter, use the eraser icon in the top right of the slicer. If the card doesn't change, it usually means the visuals aren't connected by your model or the field you chose doesn't filter the measure, so double-check that relationship. That's all. You've added a slicer, fed it the right field, and confirmed your card reacts to your selection. This simple setup gives viewers a fast, intuitive way to explore numbers, and it keeps your report focused and interactive without overwhelming the page.